Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. They are lying to you about Bitcoin. They are lying to you. We're going to show you multiple charts that's showing you that Bitcoin is much more bearish than they say it is. Okay, let me show you. First of all, we're looking on probably the biggest channel out there, altcoin daily rubbish nonsense articles fluffing. You can gather all their information just by open Cointelegraph or CoinDesk or whatever. Just watch the articles yourself. You don't need this nonsense. Now look, they say Bitcoin price is about to explode. 5 big reasons. With Larry Fink, probably the biggest scammer out there. Let's look at the Bitcoin price, shall we? Look, it's about to explode, yeah? Just broke from a rising wedge. Boom. You're now in a breakdown from a rising wedge, just like you had here. Boom. Just like you had here. Boom. Just like you had here. Boom. Boom. This is the 4th rising wedge, okay? Show you more reasons why Bitcoin price is not going to explode in September. Probably, okay? First of all, if you want it to explode, price must be above the moving average, okay, the 200 and the 50-day MA. If it's not above it, it is bearish as F. Watch the 200-day MA, the green line. Once it's gonna start rolling over, this is bad, okay? This is bad, okay? Oh, they're also telling you, sir, I'll show you what they're telling you. All of them, all the moon boys out there, look at it. They're telling you, oh, it's a bull flag. It's a bull flag. Everything they see is bullish. They cannot see anything bearish. And the chart is bearish, man. You're making lower highs and lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Now I'll show you something concerning as F, okay? Look at this chart. Go to the monthly. Go to the stochastic RSI, okay? You have a cross back down on the momentum here, okay? Look at that, from the highs. Last time you crossed back down from the highs, you crashed 50% to 30K. Then you bounced, made a double top, and then you collapsed completely. So the cross from here started the bearish trend for Bitcoin. Even though it made a little higher high, it doesn't matter. You're gonna have a sell-off, and then maybe you're gonna get a bounce. And maybe, but this chart tells you you're gonna have a sell-off. Now you might get something like that as well. You can see it went all the way to the highs in 2019 and then collapsed from 14K all the way to 3K on the COVID, on the pandemic nonsense. Okay, man, this cross happens once, maybe twice in a cycle. When you get this cross from the top, this is concerning. This is bearish, and it's not, if it cannot cross back up, it is probably roasted, man. It is probably roasted, and it's going down. It's going down. Now look, stochastic, bearish, everything is bearish all time. Look at the weekly close, a bearish engulfing. This, by the way, this video is gonna be bearish. if you see what we're doing here, it's gonna be bearish because it is the truth, man. You gotta watch the truth. You wanna be bullish, you gotta break out above the declining trend. If it's making lower highs, you cannot be bullish. Don't be bullish, man. Short altcoins, short crypto. Don't be naive and go long and buy the dip. Okay, let me show you again. More stuff they're saying to you. They're lying to you straight in the face. Look at this guy. Look at this moron, man. Look at it. Most people won't make it to 2025. Ooh, they're selling you nonsense in a jar. What if you're gonna get a stock market bear market? What if you're gonna get a recession, man? What if the rate cut's gonna be total fluff? What if the rate cuts are bearish and not bullish like they say? Look at this baby boy. Look at this baby boy. Bitcoin will easily double after rate cuts. Double. They want a double. Man, go back on the chart. All I see here is a trend line that cannot be broken. You can see that was your top here. 2021 April, that was your November 2021 top, that was your current top March 2024. Even if you're gonna run, even if they're gonna run, they're gonna make it push higher a little bit, like they expect all the maxis and the moon boys, all the fluff, man. Don't be naive. You're gonna get rejected here. You're not gonna break it. And even if you're gonna break it, you're gonna fake it and come back down, crashing like a total fluff, man. Okay? Man, double? They want a double, man. You think they're gonna double it? I don't know, man. I don't know. First, man, it is a possibility. It is a possibility. We'll not say it's not, but the chances are getting slimmer and slimmer. And if it cannot break in the coming weeks, months, above this declining trend line, and it's gonna go down first, it's gonna do something like that, man. Okay, you know, because I'm gonna keep you posted, but it's gonna completely crash the chart. The chart is gonna break bearish on the macro, and once the chart break bearish, man, the only way to make money is you're not gonna buy dips. If you're not short crypto, you're not gonna make money. Maybe if you're gonna buy the dip on the right moment and sell it on the pathetic bounce, but the big money is gonna be where the trend is going, and where the trend is going now, it's short. Okay, now you can get. Okay, we're gonna keep you posted once you're gonna see confirmed breakdown, but at the moment, it can still save the day. It can still save the day. Let's see how it's gonna close the weekly. Look on the S&P. S&P dumping. You have the rate cuts in the 17th of September, like 2 weeks time. Okay, look, the S&P can easily come down to test this trend line, easy, and maybe even do a double bottom here. Okay, now if the S&P will not break to new highs, forget about it. Bitcoin will not break to new highs. Maybe if the S&P will break to new highs, maybe Bitcoin have a shot, but I don't think it's gonna happen, man. Even if S&P is gonna break to new highs, I don't think Bitcoin can do it, man. But anyway, we'll keep you posted. We'll keep you, and a lot of bearish signs. I'll show you more bearish signs, man. You don't wanna be bullish now. Don't wanna be bullish, man. No. Look at NVDA. NVDA. Everybody in crypto, they sell into you. They lying to you. Oh, NVIDIA gonna run higher, and it's gonna push all the AI coins and all in the Bitcoin. Man, did you look on the NVIDIA chart? Look at the monthly, man. Look at the monthly, man. Do I need to tell you what is on the chart, man? This is a blow-off top. The thing is overextended, exuberance, nonsense, fluff, hot air stock that is dumping on the best earning. What does it say? It says bears are going to crush it, man. Remember the saying, man. Remember the saying, man. Don't be naive. Subscribe to this channel. We're gonna keep you level-headed, in the zone, not naive, accountable, and ready to hunt. When market stops on bullish news and they bottom on bearish news. Yes. Remember what happened to Bitcoin back here. What happened to Bitcoin here? It topped out here on what? On the most bullish news ever. Oh, the Bitcoin conference. Trump is talking. Elon Musk. Ooh, the Kennedy. Man, the Vivek nonsense. All the moon boys. Michael Saylor calling for like 6-digit BTC, 7-digit BTC. Man, this is a top signal. Again, man, we've been bearish since the failed breakout of the trend line, and then we got very bearish here once it failed to break out and made another rising wedge and coming back down. Now, is it the end of it? Not sure. We're gonna monitor it, but again, if it can rally from here, amazing. If it's gonna sell off from here, there is a risk of a bearish market. And maybe even a proper bear market. If it close, listen, man. If it close a weekly bar, okay? If it's gonna close a weekly bar here below this level, and definitely below the 40s, there is a risk of a bearish market. Very, very bearish market. All the moving averages are rolling over. This is not looking good. Again, we're saying what the chart are saying, okay? As long as it's below the moving averages, you don't want to touch Bitcoin and crypto, really. You know, they're gonna tell you, oh, it's the best. No, what did they say? Last chance, man, last chance. Bitcoin is on the verge of collapse, man. It can collapse. Look at the S&P, NVIDIA, man. Look at Coinbase stock. Coinbase stock already put in lower high here. See, that was your high. Come on, man. That was your high. That was your low double top here, like with another lower high. and another lower high. You broke below the 50-day. You are below the 200 now. You are below the 200. Coinbase stock tell you when crypto breaking bullish. Again, you can see here, Coinbase stocks broke above the 50, above the 200. That was your beginning of the bull market, January 2023. And that was the top on Bitcoin on March 2024. Since then, it's making lower highs. Okay, so Coinbase is another, indicator, you can say, of the Bitcoin price. If Coinbase starts going into a bear and it looks bearish, you can see that was your top. You can see here that was your top formation right here, and that your retest of the support. Now flip to resistance, and now it's losing it. It's now, if it goes lower now, confirm downtrend, man, and that's not good for crypto. Well, guys, thank you guys for watching. Smash the like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. If we're gonna see more bloodbath here, we're gonna keep you posted. We're gonna give you some ideas for short trades if you're interested in making money in crypto, because if the Bitcoin will keep selling off, the only way to make significant returns in crypto is by going short. If you're not shorting, if you're buying dips in a bearish trend, you're gonna get wrecked. Right, guys? See you in the next video. Cheers.